In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clip with OBS Studio, a method that many find to be even better than using GeForce. If you're looking to step up your content creation or simply want a more customizable recording experience, OBS Studio could be your new best friend. We're going to keep things simple and clear, so let's dive right in and set everything up together. First off, you'll want to start by opening the OBS Studio application on your computer. OBS Studio is a powerful, open-source tool used by content creators worldwide for live streaming and recording. Once you've got OBS Studio open, you'll find yourself on the main interface. It's a bit intimidating at first glance, but don't worry, we're just focusing on a few key aspects today. Next, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the OBS Studio interface, where you'll see a panel labeled Controls. This area is essentially your command center, where most of the magic happens. Click on Controls to open up your options. You'll see a range of buttons, each serving different purposes related to streaming and recording. Our focus for this tutorial is on the Settings button within that Controls panel. Go ahead and click on it. The Settings window will pop up, offering a variety of tweaks and preferences you can adjust. This part is crucial because how we configure these settings will determine the quality and format of your recordings. Within the Settings window, navigate to the Output tab. Clicking on Output will reveal several subcategories on the left, including streaming, recording, audio, and replay buffer. Don't get sidetracked by all these options. We'll be concentrating solely on recording for now. Click the Recording tab to access your recording settings. Here, you can adjust everything from recording path to quality and format. Pay attention to this section as it plays a pivotal role in the final output of your clips. Once you're in the recording settings, you'll want to locate the recording format option. Click on it to see a drop-down menu of available formats. The choice of recording format is more significant than you might realize, as it affects your video's compatibility and quality. Typically, you will see options like MP4 and MKV. Now it's decision time. MP4 or MKV? Choosing between these two will depend on your specific needs. MP4 is often preferred for its versatility and compatibility with most video editing software, while MKV is known for better handling of multiple audio tracks and is more forgiving if your recording is suddenly interrupted. Make your selection based on what suits your project the best. Then confirm your choice by selecting that format. And there you have it. With just these few steps, you've configured OBS Studio to start clipping like a pro. Remember, practice makes perfect. And don't be afraid to explore more of OBS Studio's features as you become more comfortable. Happy recording!